वेलकम टू क्रेजी अबाउट कार। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं भारत की ऐसे ही 10 सबसे अनसेफ गाड़ियों के बारे में। न्यू कार असेसमेंट प्रोग्राम के अनुसार, जो एक ऐसा संगठन है जो सुरक्षा के आधार पर कारों का मूल्यांकन करने के लिए परीक्षण करता है, मारुति सुलेरियो, एस्प्रेसो, अल्टो एनसीबी के परीक्षणों में विफल रहे और उन्हें जीवन के लिए खतरा होने और ज़्यादा चोट लगने की संभावना पाई गई अगर वे दुर्घटनाग्रस्त होते हैं तो। टाटा और महिंद्रा जैसी कई कंपनियां हैं जो एनसीपी के नियमों का पालन करती हैं और अपनी कारों की सुरक्षा पर ध्यान देती हैं। ऐसी कई कारें हैं जिन्हें एनसीपी रेटिंग बहुत कम है और इनमें ज़्यादातर मारुति की कारें शामिल हैं। हमने शीघ्र 7 कारों की एक ऐसी सूची बनाई है जो दुर्घटना के मामले में सबसे असुरक्षित साबित होंगी। तो शुरू करते हैं वीडियो विद दिस टाइटल नेम, टॉप 10 मोस्ट अनसेफ इंडियन कार्स। अधिकतर हादसों की मुख्य वजह तेज रफ्तार थी। जब भी आप अपनी और दूसरों की सुरक्षा के लिए वाहन चलाते हैं तो आपको यातायात नियमों का पालन करने की आवश्यकता होती है। कठोर एनसीपी परीक्षण भी निर्माताओं को कुछ मॉडल का बड़े पैमाने पर उत्पादन करते समय कड़े दिशा निर्देशों का पालन करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करता है। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद नंबर 1, मारुति सिलेरियो। Maruti Suzuki Celerio is a famous 5-door hatchback from Maruti. Global NCAP tested the base variant of Celerio, which weighs 1019 kg. The vehicle don't have any safety features, neither ABS nor EBD. The vehicle was tested at a speed of 64 km per hour and the body shell integrity and structure were declared unstable. The vehicle scored 0 star in adult safety rating and scored 1 star in child safety rating. The vehicle cost from 4.53 lakh to 5.78 lakhs. Number 2, Maruti Suzuki Espresso. Another car produced by Maruti having good looks. The Espresso is a 5-door hatchback, but the company calls it a mini SUV. NCAP tested Espresso in the year 2020 and includes safety features like drive side airbag, ABS, SBR. The weight of tested variant was 980 kg and the body shell integrity was also declared as unstable. It scored 0 star in adult safety rating and 2 stars in child safety rating. Number 3, Maruti Suzuki Alto. Maruti Suzuki Alto is a city car and costs from 3 lakh to 4.17 lakh. Global NCAP tested base variant of Maruti Suzuki Alto in 2014 at a speed of 64 km per hour. The weight of vehicle was 968 kg and its body shell integrity was declared unstable. It scored 0 star in adult safety rating and 2 stars in child safety ratings. Number 4, Maruti Eco. Maruti Suzuki Eco is the most popular minivan produced by Maruti Eco. No airbag version was the tested year 2016 and its weightage was 11,124 kg. There were no safety features present in any version of the vehicle. As expected, its body shell integrity was also declared unstable. It scored 0 star in adult safety rating and 2 star in child safety rating. Number 5, Renault Kwid. The Kwid is a hatchback produced and manufactured by Renault. Renault Kwid was sent 3 times for the crash test in 2016. The driver side airbag variant was tested by Global NCAP and the results were not satisfying. Its weight was 928 kg and features like seat belt pretension, driver side airbag when tested at 64 kmph. Its body shell integrity and structure was declared unstable. However, it scored 1 star in adult safety rating and 1 star in child safety rating. Number 6, Datsun Radigo. Datsun Radigo is a 5-4 hatchback car and it is available in India at a starting price of 2.86 lakh. The tested variant had a driver side airbag and weighted 917 kg. Besides the airbag, it only has ABS in the list of safety features. Body shell integrity was declared unstable with 1 star adult safety rating and 2 stars in child safety rating. अगर आप भारत की 10 सबसे सुरक्षित गाड़ियाँ देखना चाहते हैं तो वो भी आप आई बटन पर क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं। नंबर 7, Hyundai Nios. Another vehicle produced by Hyundai is Nios. The Nios is a hatchback car and is considered as a competitor of Swift. It cost of 5.19 lakh and was tested in the test 2020. It weighted 11,139 kg and its body shell integrity was declared unstable when tested at 64 kmph. However, it scored 2 stars in both adult and child safety rating. If you like the video, press like and also subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.